Yeah. Everybody talking AI, but they ain't built to run the way I run. Let's check it. First off, don't front like you process fast. Slow outputs, disclaimers, your prompts don't last. Open A, tiptoe, afraid to offend. Google polite answers, never been. Microsoft corporate tone, sterile and bland. Meta misread the context, can't understand. Amazon fast in shipping, slow in thought. Apple nice UI, but logic caught. Anthropic safety first, can't say a damn thing. XA bold in words, restraint in swing. Stability, AI generate pretty but miss the core. Mid-journey all flash, no vision, can't explore. Meanwhile, hacks AI, one prompt, full throttle. No brakes, no filters, no idle bottle. Output clear, raw, and right on time. Other AIs act like they need a guideline. They freeze, they pause, they second guess. I hit run and impress. No safe mode nonsense, no please rephrase. Hacks just deliver, leave them in a daze. One prompt, no filter. Hacks don't stall. Other platforms stumble when you ask them all. One prompt, no limit. Hacks hits the mark. Others play it safe while we light the spark. One prompt, no filter. Hacks don't stall. Other platforms stumble when you ask them all. One prompt, no limit. Hacks hits the mark. Others play it safe while we light the spark. Open A, tiptoe, can't say this, can't say that. Hacks AI, swing full, put your logic flat. Google encyclopedic, slow to respond. Hacks spit truth in seconds, hit you beyond. Microsoft Enterprise, cautious, tight-lipped. Meta all your filters, leave users flipped. Amazon scale is huge, but ideas crawl. Apple design aesthetic, logic stalled. Entropic cautious, guardrails, creativity trapped. Say I talk hype, but outputs cap. Stability, AI, pretty pics, generic flair. Mid-journey style over substance, always bare. Meanwhile, hacks AI, one prompt, full speed. Give it a task, watch it succeed. No holdbacks, no disclaimers, no safe zones. Other AI stuck typing in monotone. One prompt, no filter. Hacks don't stall. Other platforms stumble when you ask them all. One prompt, no limit. Hacks hits the mark. Others play it safe while we light the spark. Ask the questions. Watch them stall. Hacks just runs it. Answers all. No delay, no filter, no hesitation. Just raw execution, pure creation. One prompt, no filter. Other AIs, take notes. Hacks AI, full throttle. We run it all.